everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and today I'm going to show you how to send a Hangouts message to someone via Google+. A few months ago, Hangouts changed the way their contact search worked. Now, instead of searching all of Google, you can only search your existing Hangouts contacts, or you can start a new message with someone if you know their Google account email address. But that doesn't stop you from starting a new conversation with a new person whose email address you don't have. If they have a public Google Plus profile, you can initiate a conversation from their profile. Search Google Plus for the person you want to contact, open their profile, and click About on the profile header. You will see different contact options. Click Hangouts to start a Hangout conversation. Hangouts opens in a new browser tab with the chat window open. You can customize the message that you send to the person that you want to start the conversation with. Click the Send Invite button, and as long as the other person allows strangers to send them Hangouts invites, they will get your invitation. Keep in mind that a lot of people don't like to be contacted out of the blue by strangers. So what you can do is tell people how to use Hangouts to contact you, rather than you contacting them. The person you sent the invite to will see a notification that you sent a message. They then have the option to either ignore your message or accept the message and start a conversation. And if you're someone who doesn't like to be contacted out of the blue by strangers on Hangouts, check your custom invite settings in your Hangouts settings, where you can decide who can contact you directly and who can send you invites. Note that Hangouts does not support brand accounts or Google Plus pages, so you can't contact your favorite business or brand this way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click my channel icon to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.